Now, you know what's funny? I'll be watching videos like, oh, what's that?
Right?
Like, oh, what are you at?
Hey guys, so I'm about to head to a City Jeans event. I really gotta do my edges and plus throw some mascara on because I look tired. But yeah, I was invited by City Jeans to go check out their event for the Lost and Found Jordan 1s, and I'm gonna document some of it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'll see you soon. Drink as much as you can because we are closing at 9:30. We gotta go home. Well, you don't gotta go home, but you know you gotta get the hell out of here. Okay? So I'm gonna try to be quick. I gotta be quick. There's only a couple of names in here, so let me just. Okay. I want the person, if they're still here. Randolph E. She got me, baby. Happy baby. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy birthday, everything. Next one. Chantel M. Come on. I got you. Oh, this is blank.
Did we write our name on it? How did this happen?
Stalin M or N?
Not here, that's me.
No, not cheating. Alright, hold on. Ramel L.
Shit, stop playing with me, son.
You who?
I'm Ramel M.
Do you shoot?
I play ball, what's up?
Hey, we doing everything you did tonight.
Did I talk to you about your pair? I know I didn't get it for everyone. I'm so sorry. It's, you know how it goes in the sneaker culture.
10 to 2.
10 to 2 Saturday. I have nothing to do with that. If you are not here, do not call me. Don't email me. I will not be on my computer. You know what I mean? Alright, so I am back home. I'm filming on my iPhone, by the way. I'm back home from the event. It was great. Everyone had a great time. It was like a lot of people from the community, especially like I'm from the Bronx. There were a lot of people from the Bronx, different like the sneaker community or influencers within the sneaker community. Shout out to City Jeans and Megan for inviting me, and I was able to bring my boyfriend. We actually were able to get a pair of the Lost and Founds, not at the event, but I'm gonna do an unboxing. Once I get the pair, I'm gonna unbox them in this video and show you guys how they look. Here I am opening the shoe. I love the tissue paper because of the Jordan ads, and here it is. As someone previously stated in their video, the toe box does not have the cracked leather like the men's size. For reference, I'm a size 6.5 grade school. I love the vintage look of the shoe. Clearly Nike released this shoe because a lot of people are DIYing their shoes to look vintage, and then also this is dedicated to mom and pop shops, but however a lot of people feel some type of way about that. That's something we can get into another video. Okay, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed what you saw in this video. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.